So now we will take a look at the main method. So first, we import java.math.text.util and .io. Java.math and .text will be used to round out one of the attributes to two decimal numbers. .util and .io will be used for the input and output. So we have class shipment, and here I added static decimal format, which is used to round out one of the attributes to decimal numbers. And as you can see here, this will show how the format of the number, and then public static void main, and then we have the file reader, which will read from the text file shipment orders.txt, and buffer reader in file, and then we will have two file writer, write 1 and write 2, that will write into two different text file, domestic shipping and international shipping. And to print into these text files, we'll be using print writer with names out file 1 and out file 2. So we print into these two files with different labels, domestic shipping and international shipping, and then we declare I equals 0. This is for looping, and then DOM count and international count for counting the amount of the shippings, and then we declare string in data, declare the array with data type from the superclass, and then here we initiate the looping for the input and output. So first we have string tokenizer, and then we input the data, string name, string ID, string domestic or international. This determines whether the shipping location is for domestic or international, and then the location, and then for the weight we use double, including with the double dot parse double, and then we have string service for the service. So we're using if statements. If domestic or international equals to domestic, this shows if for domestic shipping. So first we declare the objects service s, and then service ss. This is the copy constructor, and then we declare the object for domestic by applying polymorphism, and we have name, ID, domestic or international, location, weight, and ss. We use object ss as one of the parameters, and then we use instance of. If ship I equals instance of domestic, we do casting, and then from here we will print out the toString from the subclass, and we get the service type, and then here we use dot format to format the total value to 2 decimal points, and then the same thing here with the else, which does exactly the same thing but for international shipping, which will print it into the international shipping.txt, and then after that we update the value of I for the looping, and then once out of the loop we print out to the both files the total number of their shippings for domestic and international shippings plus the count number, and then we close the file. for in file, out file 1 and out file 2, we close all of them. And then after that, we do for error for FNAM and IO error. If there's if the file is not found, the system will print out file not found. And then IO exception, it will print out IO error. That's it. And so if we take a look at the text file first, this is the shipment orders.txt. As you can see here, we have the name, the order ID, and it shows whether it's international or domestic, the location, the weight, and the service from express or bubble wrapping, or both, or none. So, and we'll take a look at the other two. As you can see here, now is empty. Same thing with the here, international shipping. So we will run it. So we will run it. Let's take a look. And there you go. Here we have the, for domestic shipping, we have name, order ID, location, weight, service, and shipping price. And total number is 6. And same thing here, name, order ID, location, weight, service, shipping price. Total number is 14. And that is all. Thank you for watching.